Dear Homeschool parents, available in 2025. Physics in a Box comes in 3 boxes: Magnesium, electricity, optics, and mechanics. These boxes are available for 3rd grade through 11th grade and will assist the students in strengthening their math skills, their problem-solving skills, and their critical thinking skills. Physics in a Box comes with 100 lessons developed for middle school and high school students in all 3 of these boxes. A curriculum is also provided. And also, professional development is available weekly for parents as they assist their students in this conceptual physics at middle school, and will really build their algebra and geometry skills and prepare students to be solid calculus and AP physics students. Physics will teach us how everything operates in this world. It is the foundation of strengthening strong science and mathematical skills for the success of all students in the future. So homeschool parents, please visit us at fiscara.com or email Gary Tripp, as his email is provided on this screen. We look forward to hearing from you soon. We would love to have you visit with Dr. Anatoly Gunchenko, who has taught physics all around the world, and this physics curriculum is nothing new. It comes from Europe and Asia. Let's get students' math and science skills strengthened to the top level. Thank you for your time. Look forward to hearing from you soon.